Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
A very warm welcome to the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College, Standard 3rd, 4th and 5th, subject English Grammar, topic Prepositions. Children, today we learn the topic Prepositions. Pre plus position. Pre means before and position means place. A preposition is a word which shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other word in a sentence. Usually they come before a noun or a pronoun. For example, first, his books are lying on the floor. Where are the books lying? On the floor. So here the preposition on shows the relation between the floor and the books. Second, the hunter shot the bird with a gun. The hunter shot the bird with what? With the gun. So here the preposition with shows the relation between the gun and shooting. But sometimes they come after the nouns or pronouns they govern. For example, first, what are you looking for? Here, for is a preposition which comes after the pronoun you. Second, we need a pen or a pencil to write with. Here, with is the preposition which comes after the noun pencil. Now, look at these sentences. The puppy is in the basket. The puppy is under the table. The puppy is behind the box. In these sentences, we have used three different prepositions: in, under, behind, with the noun basket, table, and box. Now, let's learn what do prepositions indicate. Some prepositions show position and place. For example, first, the clock above my table is a gift. Here the preposition above shows that the clock is at a higher position than something. Second, Aman is sitting between Raj and Sham. Here the preposition between is used when something is in the center of two things or persons. Third, the hare hid among the bushes. When something or someone is in the center of more than two things, we use among. Fourth, Ram is sitting beside Neha. Here the preposition beside means by the side of or close to someone or something. Some other prepositions of position are behind, near, in, on, at, under, below, upon, beneath, over, beyond, in front of, etc. Some prepositions show movement and direction. For example, first, Soham took out his box from his bag. Here the preposition from shows the place from where something is taken. Second, the girl walks towards her house. Here, the preposition towards shows the movement in the direction of her house. Third, the dog jumped into the pond. Here, into denotes movement towards the interior of something. Fourth, Kriti is climbing up the hill. Here, up shows the movement at a higher level or position. Some other prepositions showing movement and direction are to, out of, through, over, along, across, round, at, for, against, off, down, by, etc. Some prepositions show time and duration. For example, first, I go for karate classes after school. The preposition after is used to show the time following an event or action. Second, I waited for Rohit at the bank. Here the preposition at indicates a point where someone is. Third, he has been working since 9 o'clock. Here the preposition since is used with the point of time at which an action started. Fourth, I will see you in 10 days. Here the preposition in shows during a period of time. Some other prepositions of time and duration are in, within, by, for, from, around, etc. Prepositions also help to express purpose or use. First, Aparna tried to eat pasta with a fork. Second, this is a good place for snacks. Here the prepositions with and for tell us about the use and purpose of something. Now let's practice what we have learnt. Underline the prepositions in the following sentences. First, the wolf ran after the fox. Ran after whom? After the fox. Here, after is the preposition of movement or direction. Second, Madhu cut the apple with the knife. Cut the apple with what? With the knife. Here, with is the preposition of use or purpose. Third, it is 6 by my watch. Here, by is the preposition of time. Fourth, I shall be back within a week. When will you be back? Within a week. Here, within shows preposition of time or duration. Fifth, the snake is under the bed. Here, the preposition under shows the place where the snake is. Fill in the blanks with correct prepositions, choosing from those given in the brackets. First, the thief ran dash the forest. The thief ran into the forest. Second, once there was a quarrel dash the sun and the wind. Here we have two things, the sun and the wind. So we will use the preposition between. Once there was a quarrel between the sun and the wind. Third, we write dash a pen. We write with a pen. Fourth, my uncle brought a gift dash me. My uncle brought a gift for me. Fifth, the plane landed dash the airport. The plane landed at the airport. Sixth, we are going dash watch a football match on Saturday. We are going to watch a football match on Saturday. We will be meeting soon in the next video, so keep learning something new every day. Thank you.